Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is Java basic data types. So now open this question. Java basic data types. Read a value and store it in the appropriate Java data type. So now see first example. So integer value is 18 and string ABC and floating value is 9.9876. So the output is as it is. So the three inputs are stored in appropriate data types and then printed in order. So here we just have need to return the object. So return sc dot next int. Now return this. Now in case of string we just have return sc dot next. In case of string we write only sc dot next या sc dot next line. Now in case of float we return sc dot next float. sc dot next float. Now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. All the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.